Hi guys, the Galaxy S22 series is selling like hotcakes around the globe, especially in South Korea and India. Its sales number has surpassed all its predecessors, making it the most pre-ordered S-series device. But before we get into the numbers, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So I just got a new mic and this is my first time using it, so please let me know in the comment section how much better it sounds compared to my previous videos. So Samsung marketed the S22 series quite heavily, and it seems to be paying off pretty good. It already surpassed all previous S-series devices in pre-orders, including the S8 series, and it's currently the Samsung device with the highest pre-order record in history, including the Notes and Foldables, and this is all around the globe. But we have data from South Korea and India, and in South Korea, the S22 series got over 1 million pre-orders within just the first week. It took about 11 days for the previous title holder, the S8 series, to get over 1 million pre-orders, and on the first day the device was available in stores, over 300,000 units were sold, which is higher than every previous Galaxy device, including S-series, Note series, and Foldables. Now, most of the demand is for the S22 Ultra, which accounts for over 60% of the entire sales of the S22 series. And that is obvious because 1. It's the highest end variant of the three devices, and 2. It caters to both the S-series fans and Note series fans by providing the S Pen functionality at no additional cost. So Samsung was right to produce more S22 Ultras, which took up 70% of the entire S22 series production. Now, in India, the S22 series also set a new record for Samsung flagships. It racked up over 70,000 pre-bookings in its first 12 hours of being available in the country. This is the highest number for any high-end flagship device to be released in the country so far, which is really good news for Samsung and might help improve the company's overall market share in the country. Now, this can be attributed to Samsung's use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and not the Exynos 2200, because it's gonna be the first time they'll use the Snapdragon variant on their flagship in India, and they're really making use of the 8 Gen 1 to market the S22 series in India. But the S22 series isn't the only set of devices that are performing really well in sales. The Tab S8 series that was announced alongside the S22 series is also flying off the shelves rather quickly all over the world. Its sales numbers has surpassed all previous Galaxy Tabs before it, and the Tab S8 Ultra is the most popular among the three devices, taking up over 50% of the entire Tab S8 series sales. So it turns out there was actually a market for a crazy large Android tablet. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.